Hello everyone, welcome to Takeoff Pro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply two numbers in Python. For that I need to take a variable num1. The value is 10. Num2, let's take a value of 2. For multiplication, let's take a variable mul and num1 and 2. Num1 into num2. Now I'm going to print the value. Let's print it. So the value is 20. If I change the value 120, it shows the value of 240. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.